Hello viewers, today we are going to start new video which is how to start a successful construction company step by step guide. Before starting this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Now we start our topic, how to start a successful construction company. From finance the particular follow our tips on starting a construction business and cut down our missteps that stall new construction companies along the way. Is it hard to start a construction company? Admittedly, no guide will cover every single detail to business creation and ownership. Setting up a company is a unique experience affected by factors like background, location, finances, and overall economy. It will be hard work, require planning, and challenge each entrepreneur differentially. Construction companies have requirements that other business may not, such as specialized permits and license. In many cases, you may want to consult a lawyer to ensure that you have set up your new business correctly in line with state laws of employment, insurance and liability coverage, and an accountant can help you avoid issues with payroll and tax returns. By note of this should care you of. The key is to be aware of what you are getting info before you get into rely on specialized professionals where it makes sense and do you research to cover the rest. Next is what does it cost to start a construction company? The whole point of starting a business is to profit, but what about the upfront cost to get started? They can vary, but they will also be inevitable. If you are looking for a ballpark, the average startup costs are about 45,000 for a construction company. Here are some of the contributing factors that can affect this cost. Number one is insurance premium. Number two is equipment purchase. Number three is business registration and permits. Number four is marketing and branding. Number five is legal and accounting retailers. Then number six is office space rental and utilities. Number seven is staff payroll and benefits. Number 8 is software and management system. Number 9 is transportation vehicles and fuel. How to choose a type of business that suits you. Another consideration is the type of construction you want to operate in. Each construction site will differ from the next and affect how you plan, invest and start out your planning process. Here's a few construction sites for you to consider. Residential. This is what most people think of when then think of construction, but we can break it down even further. Do you want to create new homes and apartments in a residential company, or do you want to focus on non-residential construction buildings, corporate facilities, warehouses and other structures? Infrastructure. If it's public works, it's likely infrastructure related. Construction companies are used for a number of projects like roads, railways and transportation terminal. This industry is closely tied to civil engineering and can be a great fit to professionals with this expertise. Industrial. Think big. Industrial construction involves large scale projects including factories, mills, energy installations, and processing plants. You shall be engaging for long-term builds with a mix of private and government firms to complete jobs that require projects and resource management of a epic scale. What do you need to start a construction company? First is understand your local market size. Next is review your core skills set. Next is assess your direct competitors. Next is define your ideal customers. Next is evaluate your finance. Next is meet legal and regulatory requirement. Next is choose a physical location. Next is select starter equipment. Next is decide whether to partner. The importance of proper construction company license. First is bonding, licensing and insurance. These three steps is very important. First is bonding, secondly is licensing and third is insurance. Safe practices as PPE. How to avoid failure as a new construction company. High insurance cost, poor safety training. Third is insufficient planning. Next is worker shortage, new technology, updated laws and regulations, and maintaining budgets. These steps is avoid failure as a new construction company. How to start a construction business step by step. Number one, write a business plan. Number two is choose a home base. Number three is register your business. Number four is open a business bank account. Number five, review tax requirement. Number six is secure insurance liabilities. And number seven is acquire funding. Number eight is buy tools and equipment. Number nine is make a construction company. Thank you so much for watching my video and don't forget to press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Thank you so much.